Hi everybody, good morning. You wanna know how I stay healthy؟ ببینید چطوری من سالم زندگی میکنم. This is almond butter. کره بادام درختی. Not peanut butter. I don't eat that. And pure honey, of course. After 15 hours of fasting, بعد از 15 ساعت fast, I'm having toast and honey and almond butter. Almond butter and honey on toast. These are my pomegranates. I love them. And this one here is my salsa, Mexican salsa. I'm gonna eat this for dinner. Right, you guys, stay healthy, work out, take it easy.